What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner hip-hop dance class, where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and techniques you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip-hop dance. All right, so today's movement we're going to work on is a step-back heel twist variation. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description right now to apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today we're going to use our step back heel twist as our foundational move. So if you don't know what that is, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that. So from here, all again I'm doing is I'm doing a step and I'm stepping behind myself, but instead of doing that, I'm also adding a little heel twist as I step out. Okay, so the only change that we're going to use today is when we come back to normal, instead of coming back feet together, nothing happening, I'm actually going to use this opportunity to create a different shape. So from here, I want to think my knees are coming in, or you can think about your toes coming in. Okay, so starting from the top, this is your first step. All I'm doing is I'm twisting again from my heel so my toe can go out towards the direction I'm stepping here. So now when I come back, now instead of just twisting my toe back to the front, I really want to bring it in all the way. And at the same time, this foot is just going to try to point my toe towards itself. So I think this. Okay, so let's go back to here. So again, my toe starts facing this way. As I step in, I'm going to bring my toe to the left, and I want my left toe to point towards my right. So I come in. And so by doing this, you kind of notice that the more your toes start to point towards each other, your knees will create this inward shape, or kind of like a, I guess, a reverse W. Okay, so starting with my right again, just going step, twisting to the right here, knees come in. So one more time. So starting with my right, this goes out, twist out, right, and come in. Okay, so from here, all I want to do now is I want to think I just started here. Okay, so now I'm going to my left, so I know my left toe is going to go to my left, and I'm twisting my heel again as I step here, out. So now, when I twist my heel back in, again, I don't want to face it to the front, I want to come in all the way. Okay, so as this one comes in, I want this toe to point towards it as well. Okay, so let's start from here. We're in here, stepping to my left, so my left heel is going to go this way, out. Then I'm going to twist back in. So one more time, twisting this way, out, and then in. So now let's try to go into the right. So again, going to my right, my toe goes to the right. Right, come back in, going to the left, my toe goes to the left. Left, come back in. So this is out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. All right, so let's put this together with some counts. So for right now, we're just going to use the whole counts, and then we'll add some and counts after that. So from starting here, we'll start in just to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to start to our right. So this is 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go one more time. 8, in, out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm going to face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7. Start in. This goes in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. And in, back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now let's try to speed it up just a little bit. Now we're going to add our and counts. So for right now, I'm just going to step over on my whole counts, but again, you could use your and counts to do that as well. So just for this one, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. All right, so let's try that again. I'm going to face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7 to your right. This is 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. All right, so once you have that down, let's put it into our SSD method pattern. So again, that's going single, single, and then we're doubling up on one side. For right now, let's use our and count. So we're gonna go 1, and 2, and double, double. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, and 2, and right, right. Other way. 1, and 2, and left. Try it again. In, right, left, right, in, left, right, left, left. All right, so let's try that again. We'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, starting on your right. This goes 1, and 2, and double, and 5, 6, and double. Other one, and 1, 2, double, and 5, 6, double, double. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now, and also click the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop videos just like this. right, so key takeaways with this one. The only variation we're really doing is pointing our toes towards each other. So make sure that when you go to your right, we're pointing one toe to our right. When we come back to our reset or our center, I want my toes to go in towards each other. So if I just do the same thing to my left toe goes to the left, and when I reset, my toes come back in. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.